Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now we've got quiver and bow, and arrow. What's the fourth one going to be? A target? I guess it must be. I was thinking maybe you use a belt to hold your arrows, but target makes much more sense. These are all archery terms. Right, what next? We've got gin, as in gin rummy. I suppose we've got bridge and hearts, although it's hearts rather than heart. Clock is a form of patience. I think maybe all of these are forms of solitaire. Am I going to take a risk? I don't think so, but I'll have to try and bear that in mind. What would the other 2 groups be, even if that was correct? War, dragon, slug. All hands on deck. Roast pig spinning on a spit. Not sure. An anchor and a belt are used to tie things? Not sure any of the others are. Interesting. I feel like it's quite likely that those 4 are a group. Let's try it. Oh, I'm not even one away. I think they are all forms of patience though, but okay. Instead of looking for the other 8 words and trying to find 4 groups, which is what I was doing, I can now... Oh, bridge and anchor are both parts of a ship, aren't they? And deck. And maybe spit? Or am I making that up? Not sure. And I still don't know what the other 2 groups would be. But, I mean, a slug is slang for a bullet, and war clearly has a lot of bullets in, potentially. Depending on whether it's a recent war or an older war. But anyway, that's clearly not going to be a group. There's only 2 of them, and it's a tenuous link at best. So what are these groups going to be? What is the 4th part of a ship? I mean, an anchor isn't really even part of a ship, is it? Maybe a slug? Heart? Heart of a ship? You could have a heart of anything, really, couldn't you? Not completely convinced by that, and regardless, even if it is correct, I've still got the same dilemma I did before. What do I do as the other 2 groups? Oh, we've got slug, clock, belt. Those are all slang for hitting someone, I think. But what would the 4th one be? Oh, I still don't know. Let's, oh, I don't know. Let's try spit. Oh, I'm one away. I thought I might be. Is it these 3 plus 1 more? Let's go back to this group then. We'll try these 4. That's not even one away as well, so it's also not deck's anchor and bridge as part of a boat. Okay, so if it is these 3 plus 1 more... Oh, deck, of course deck means to hit. To wallop, yes. Ah, right. What next? Dragon, Rose and Heart are calling to me as if they are together for some reason. But I really don't know why. I want to do these 4, and then the other 4 could still be boat related. I don't think I've got anything better. Heart and Rose are both red, traditionally. Red Dragon, Red War, Red Bridge, Red Anchor, Red Gin, Red Spit. Oh, I'm not sure. I think I'm going to go for War or Gin. But this is my last life, so it has to be correct. I mean, I'm not even completely convinced that these 3 go together, and I'm not even completely convinced that Bridge, Anchor and Spit go together, but we've got to go for something. suppose you could have a warship. Let's go for gin. Oh, it's not right. Oh, it was Track and Rose and Heart. I was right about that. Classic tattoos. I mean, in hindsight, maybe. Who decides what a classic tattoo is? Anchor, Heart and Rose, to be fair. I can see. Dragon, maybe less so. But anyway. Bridge, Gin, Spit and War card games. I'm not sure I've heard of Spit. But I did... Did I say Gin Rummy or Gin Solitaire? I was thinking of card games at one point anyway. So I got kind of close to some of those. But it is a failure. Only 2 groups out of 4. I mean, it's impossible to get 3 groups out of 4, to be fair, because if you get 3, you're definitely going to get the 4th. Anyway, not my best performance, but maybe you did better. Let me know in the comments. That's Connections Failure. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.